locked.
In-order yung ma'am. Ay, ako in-order ko ma'am. In-order ko dito online ma'am. Di mo malabit ma'am. Agis na. Awan ma'am, anak ko order ko. Awan kontak. Awan kontak. Maasaray lang na tinag-appear. Hindi kami ganin ma'am. Di page ni ganin. Nai-address na.
Nabayagan dahil.
Saan pa? Si Uzi ganin again ma'am. Ala!
Paano mo ah?
Ano, madam?
Ano ba? Wala man makakas.
Ay, ma'am, tayo malagi. Baka na nang may cellphone niyo, ma'am.
Awan ma'am, tagdawang ko lang cellphone ko.
Hindi na mag-alit kayo ba? May yung nakitaan dyan, garo din mo.
Pagbayad niyo ma'am, baka ibagbagay lang awan pagbayad niya. Ito pe kwarta mo rin sa akin. Abigan ma'am, pakitaon lang nga rin na in order niyo ma'am. Happy birthday ma'am! Happy birthday Happy birthday ka! Ay, wow, wow! Alam mo, di birthday mo! Happy birthday! Thank you! Happy birthday, Happy birthday po, ma'am! Happy po, ma'am! May idea po kayo kung kanino galing yung pa-surprise na yan, ma'am? Wala. Hala, baka babawiin ng magpa-surprise sa inyo yan, ma'am! My sister, our hearts have grown closer with the passing of time. Through the ups and downs of life, we have come to understand what it means to have each other. Sometimes we talk often, sometimes not. It doesn't mean to matter. The feeling of closeness remains with me because I know you are always there. Thank you for always taking care of our parents. Though I know sometimes it's challenging, especially with Mama. Thank you for always having a patience on me, though sometimes I'm too much. Thank you for always listening to me, though we are miles apart. I always be here for you no matter what life brings us. I hope that this simple surprise will make your birthday extra special. I love you, sister. You are always blessing to all of us and wishing you all the best in life. Love, Ate Des. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa sa pa-surprise ni ni Ma'am Des? Thank you. Hindi ko alam talaga to, promise. Di nga alam, ma'am. Happy po kayo, ma'am. Happy.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, beautiful day, and you're smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart, 'cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day.